Hi there and welcome to Noca. In this video, we're going to show you how to use the Noca UI logic within the app builder. UI logic is what's going to happen when I want to hide or show a field inside my form based on user input. It's going to be what happens when I click this button, where will that take me? It can really determine exactly what the user is going to experience in the form, in the app, and how you're going to allow them to travel between these different pages. So here we have a form and it's 2 pages. I'm going to click on UI logic, and what you see here is it's bringing two options really. It's bringing the on-click continue to personal details and also on-click processing. So what we want to do is we want to set up a flow for this on-click continue, and I'll show you how it works. I click new flow, and it brings me a UI node. So that's how Noca knows that this is going to be a UI flow. And here it suggests using an if condition, a loop, or an API response. But we have lots of things here like show, hide, set value, reset value, enable, disable, mandatory, optional, message, redirect, and component mapping. For now, I'm going to do a redirect, one of the most common use cases we have. And I can either do external and just type in the URL or grab it from a parameter in my project. And here's application. So application is where I'm actually going to choose the application that I have here. And now I can select the page. So I'm just going to select the second page here. And now we can go ahead and click insert node. And you can see here that we have page, we have parameter, but we also have here target. So in target, I can decide if I want to do the same tab, a new tab, a modal, parent frame, top frame, or a window. For this one, we'll just keep it in the same tab. And what we want to do also is pass a parameter in this. So we can choose a parameter from our project, like the ID that we've been working with on page 1, which will already be mapped. And then that will allow us to work with that in page 2 of the app. And all that's left to do is click go live, click confirm. Now we want to go back to our app. We want to save it to the app. That will commit it to the app itself. And now that that's committed, let's go ahead and test it out. So let's go over to our preview and let's click continue. And there it is. We just went to our second page in the app. It's within the same tab, but as I said before, we could make it a modal. We could do really whatever we want here in order to make the lives of our users exactly what we want it to be.